More control over your navigation menus. That's what's coming to your SharePoint Online tenant soon. It's really cool and I know you'll be able to use it. I'm Steve Corey. Join me as we dive into this new feature. So this feature started rolling out to targeted release tenants in September. For those who don't know, targeted release means your tenant can get features before they're more widely available. There could be issues, but overall these features work fine. For a more stable tenant, most production tenants will run what's called a standard release when features are rolled out for everyone. At the time of this recording, the feature is only out on targeted release, but it could be out on standard release by the time you watch this video. Enough of the intro, let's dive into this. This update applies to site, hub, and global navigation items. We'll go through a couple of these so you can see how it's done. If you're getting value from this video, please do me a favor and click that like button. To start with, we'll just use the site navigation bar. So we'll edit this bar, and I've already got a link on here just to go to Google. If you click on the three dots and go to edit, you'll see this new option, open in a new tab. Well, this is an external site, so I want it to open in a new tab so the users don't have to use the back button to get back to my example intranet in this case. So we'll click OK, refresh the page, and now it opens up in a new tab. Simple. Let's look at the hub navigation next. So we'll edit this. The process is basically the exact same. Open in a new tab. Make sure this isn't buried. And we'll test it out, and it works just fine. It's important to think about what links should be opened in a new tab and when it shouldn't. You want to keep users on your site to increase engagement and improve their overall experience. If a user is navigating to another section of your intranet, it probably makes sense to not open a new tab. But if they're leaving the intranet, especially to go to an external site, you definitely should use a new tab. It's easier for a user to close a tab rather than click the back button 20 times to get back to the intranet. Linking to new files is another good example. If you're opening up a PDF, for example, use a new tab. Opening spreadsheets, PDFs, or any content that's not web content are all good examples of when you should open a link in a new tab. So there you go. Check your own SharePoint tenant to see if this is already live for you. If so, start tweaking your navigation menus to keep your users engaged and improve their experience. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.